Okay, I will give you first about human figures because that is something which adds scale to our sketches. It also adds life to our drawings. So how do we do that? So simply draw a ground line and we will draw vertical lines just the way we did for the trees. Now the rule for human figures is that the head is always small. What are the do's and the don'ts? Head never circle. The moment you draw circles, it will bound to look like a carrot. So never circles. In reality also our heads are not circle. Okay, they are more or less elliptical. You can also draw trapezium. Simply like that. These are acceptable, but never circle. ये ध्यान में रहे. आप चाहिए तो हेड मत बनाओ, एक बार को चलेगा. There are many sketchers whose human figures you will not see the head. You will only see the body. That is also acceptable style, but never like this. Never so big. इतना बड़ा नहीं. हेड का कंपैरिजन अगर आप बॉडी से करेंगे तो इट इज 1/7 और 1/8 ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ ह्यूमन फिगर. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द होल आइडिया. तो उतना प्रपोर्शन से रखना है. यू कैन सिंपली डू इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, दैट इज गुड इनफ. तो I'm gonna show a couple of human figures, then we will look at how to introduce them at a right scale in the building or in the view. ठीक है, तो ये लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली. दिस विल हेल्प अस टू मेक देम सिमेट्रिकल. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा आर्टिस्टिक बनाना नहीं सिखाऊंगा अभी आप लोग को, ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है इट इज टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. फॉर आवर डिजाइन स्केच क्विक फ्यू मिली सेकेंड्स में हो जाए वैसे बनाने चाहिए. लाइक दिस. Second, third stroke. This is the first style. You can do this way also. Okay. Trapezium. One stroke, second stroke. Clear? You can compare the position and the head size. Then we can do it this way. तो मल्टीपल आर्च में बनाना है. कुछ फास्ट बनाते हैं हम लोग. मैं वापस से रिपीट करता हूँ. विदाउट लिफ्टिंग पेंसिल. विदाउट लिफ्टिंग पेंसिल. तो इस तरीके से ह्यूमन फिगर्स बन जाते हैं. कभी कभी कुछ लोग इस तरीके से भी बनाते हैं ह्यूमन फिगर. दैट इज ऑल्सो हाउ सम पीपल डू इट. Few years back I used to make human figures like that with some voids in between, which used to give the glimpse of the void between hands and the legs. Yeah. The other style is the Jadoo type style, the Hrithik Roshan Jadoo style. ऐसा झोले जैसा, ऐसा भी लोग बनाते हैं. The other is थोड़ा सा फैशन डिजाइन जैसे legs cross. So head small, body and 2 cross. ऐसे भी आप बना सकते हो. मूवमेंट करता हुआ थोड़ा सा. जब भी छोटे बॉयज बनाने हैं, बॉयज को हमेशा हाफ पैंट में दिखाना बेटर. Very simple. Heads totally black हो सकते हैं, not a problem. Then we have very quick styles also. Simply black करना है and converge करना है. Head. For very small sketches, थोड़े glimpses ही दिखाने अगर human figures के, तो इस तरीके से कन्वर्ट करते हुए. डॉट्स हो सकते हैं एंड देन सिंपली डू इट लाइक दैट. एलिप्स भी बना सकते हैं, कुछ लोग पतले पतले बनाते हैं ह्यूमन फिगर्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन. परफ्यूम बॉटल टाइप के भी बनाते हैं ह्यूमन फिगर्स इस तरीके से. See, continuous. थोड़ा फास्ट बनेंगे, you will be able to create variety. कभी कभी कोई ह्यूमन फिगर्स बहुत छोटे साइज में बनाने पड़ते हैं तो ये वो अच्छे लिखते हैं. बहुत ज्यादा बड़े बनाएंगे तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, और बहुत स्लो बनाएंगे तो भी समटाइम्स इट इज प्रॉब्लम. फ्यू ह्यूमन फिगर्स पीपल ड्रॉ इट लाइक दैट, बहुत फैले हुए. Now the idea is that you can practice all of these, or you can choose one of these maybe from somewhere else also you can see, but ideally you should be able to draw them with correct scale and size in a matter of few seconds. That is the idea. I also happen to draw like that. Recently in my small sketches you will see this, a dot and a triangular kind of a profile. Lot of human figures we can draw like that. So these are some ways of drawing human figures. First is your perpendicular line and then you draw it. Okay. You can also then experiment. You can try a few postures as if somebody is sitting like that. Is that क्लियर? तो सिंपल है एक्चुअली, खाली एक ट्राइंगल या स्फीयर बनाना है. Possibly both are interacting. Okay, now there are few ways to draw and few things to remember. Draw horizon line. Now if the view is of eye level, okay, then all heads are at one height. ठीक है. Now let's draw few human figures, and so this is the horizon line. The heads are going to be at horizon line, and what will shrink is the body. Distant human figures can be drawn simply using black fill करके with a dot, or जो हेड होगा वो डेफिनेटली विल बी एट होराइजन लाइन, बॉडी श्रिंक होगी. And you can see that the distance you can start feeling, right? Few human figures appear to be very close to you and few human figures appear very far away, but the heads are all at horizon line. Now this is also one of the ways of how we develop some sketches or do some sketches. Urban sketchers also follow this. Many architects first draw the human figures and then draw the other architecture. Simply you can experience that here now. Can you see this? The building appeared. Let's say so this is the building. Yeah, and the people now are standing in the courtyard. So this is the kind of space which gets created. You can do these kind of scenes also. तो rule क्या बताया मैंने कि if it is an eye level perspective, then all the heads are at the horizon line. You will see only the heads. Now, ideally, when we draw human figures, we are considering that they are facing on the other side. So that is why we generally draw the heads as black. मतलब उनके बाल दिख रहे हैं, ठीक है, इंडिकेटिव एक्चुअली. तो step 1 to draw is first line, then the step 2 is to draw head, step 3 is to draw the body, and step 4 is to detail it out. That's it. Khatam. So in 4 to 5 stages you can do it. One more way is to make the head, draw one arc, second arc, and the third arc. ऐसा इसी का improvisation है. 1 first arc, second arc, and draw like that. Draw some shoes. That's it.